If you're looking for a real and legal way to work and gain experience in Europe, then Luxembourg is a place where you should look into. What if I told you that Luxembourg has got 3 spectacular traineeship programs that gives opportunity to people, especially non-EU applicants, to gain access to most powerful institutions in Europe. So in this video, I'll be explaining to you these traineeship programs, who they are for, what they are, and which one fits you best. So stick around with me because this video is definitely for you. Okay, let's talk about the first one. The first one, this one is one of my favorite because it's very general. It gives opportunity to a wide range of roles. The very first one is the Bluebook Traineeship. Okay, the Bluebook Traineeship. The Bluebook Traineeship, you get opportunity to work inside EU institutions, and of course, Luxembourg is one of the places where you get to work in. And here you are not observing, you are not there to observe, you are there to work as a real member of any role you find yourself in. Okay, let me walk you through what this traineeship is for. This traineeship is for recent graduates, that is those with bachelor's degree minimum. At least you should have at least a bachelor's degree, and this is open to non-EU citizens. This is originally for actually EU citizens. However, because they want to give opportunity for non-EU citizens to gain work experience in Europe, so they have allocated slots for non-EU citizens as well. So if you have got a background in law, economics, international relations, IT, communications, policy, business and administration, then this one is for you. Okay, so now let's talk about the benefits. The benefits, you have the opportunity to gain monthly allowance. So that is why I say you get paid to move to Luxembourg. So what you saw is actually the truth. Okay, so you get paid monthly allowance of about 1,300 euros. Okay, and then the next thing is that you have an EU experience. Remember, having an EU experience on your CV, it gives you a higher chance of getting selected when you apply for roles anywhere. So this is something you should look into. Now the next thing is that you have strong networking. So through meetings, interactions, you have access to highly recognized people, people in high positions. And then later in life, because of the networking and the people you interact with, you have the opportunity to get contracts, join NGOs, and all these kinds of opportunities. Okay, yeah. So if you want to make more inquiries about it, you just go to traineeship.ec.europa.eu. okay, I will leave all these links in the description. You need not to worry about anything. Okay, let me walk you through the eligibility criteria of the Bluebook Traineeship program. So just like you see here, it says you should have completed a standard 3-year higher education degree, that is either a diploma certificate or a bachelor's certificate. And here the second thing is that you should have no prior work experience of any kind in excess of 6 weeks in any EU institution, body or agency. So here they are just trying to make sure that the candidates that they give this opportunity to are people that are freshers. You have zero experience because they are looking forward to impact knowledge in you, to impact knowledge in especially non-EU applicants, to gain work experience, hands-on experience regarding how to work in Europe. And then the next thing is that you should have a very good knowledge of languages. The French language, the Luxembourgish language, German language, or English, any of this. Okay, so now let me walk you through how to do the application. Okay, I'm still on the website, the official website. So you will first of all need to create a login account. So you click here and create an account, and after creating an account, you would complete and submit the application form. And under the application, under that place, you're gonna see where it will ask you all your documents, some information. You fill them, make sure all your documents are ready, and I'll be telling you about the documents you need in a minute. Okay, now you go to the candidate, you go to your account. Okay, after you created an account, you definitely have an account, so you go to the account and then you send an application and choose the type of traineeship you want. Okay, the type of you choose the type of traineeship you want to get access to. Is that okay? All right, so if you click on this video, when you get to the website, you click on this video, it's going to show you the guide as to how to go about the application. Is that okay? Yeah, so I would urge you to click on this, and then it will guide you step by step on how to do all these things I'm mentioning. Okay, and then after that, you upload your supporting documents, and then you submit your application. Is that okay? All right. Okay, so now let's talk about the second type, which is the Shuman traineeship. Okay, so this is for those who are interested in law, if you're interested in parliament, anything relating to law, policy making, advocacy, this type is for you. This type of traineeship brings you directly to the European Parliament. You get to be involved in policy making, lawmaking, you get to understand how advocacy is done, and many more. So just like I said, this type of traineeship is for those who are interested in politics, journalism, public policy, communications, law, and social scientists. Okay, so you don't need to be an EU citizen, but you just need a strong academical background to be able to qualify for this. All right, let me walk you through the benefits of this type of traineeship. Also, just like the first one, the Bluebook traineeship, get some allowance for your daily expenses. And the interesting thing is that this allowance, the Shuman traineeship allowance, is quite a little bit higher than the Bluebook allowance. So you get to be paid about 1,538 euros for your living expenses. Okay, and now the second thing is that you have the opportunity to work in the European Parliament, and it gives you exposure as well if you want to further your career in terms of in regards to policy, advocacy, political consulting. If you're interested in joining international organizations, this will give you an opportunity to network with highly potential individuals. Let me just clarify a little difference between these two, the Bluebook and the Shuman. The Bluebook traineeship is more of a general type of traineeship that gives opportunity to people who has got background in economics, IT, engineering, and even law. Is more of a broader traineeship type. However, on the other hand, Shuman's traineeship is just restricted, or should I say, it's just narrowed towards those who are interested in gaining experience in lawmaking, policy making, journalism, and what have you. Just look at which role you best fit into, and then you make your application in that regard. Let's talk about the third type of traineeship, which is the European Investment Bank traineeship, which is EIB for short. EIB finances projects that has to do with infrastructure, technology, and many more. For the EIB, you get the opportunity to understand everything that has to do with finance, development, and real money decisions. So the EIB is more or less like the Bank of the European Union, and the finance projects that has to do with infrastructure, climate projects, development in Africa, innovation, and SMEs. Is that okay? Just like the previous two, this is for graduates and young professionals, of course. And if you've got background in finance, economics, engineering, climate studies, data and IT, development studies, this is what you should go for. Okay, with the Shuman traineeship, one thing I want you to take note of is that it's not currently open. So when you go to the website, you're gonna see 0%. You're not gonna see anything on it, okay? So with the Shuman Traineeship, this is the official website. So when you click on consult traineeship offers, it's gonna tell you 0 available traineeship. So it means that you need to wait for the time where applications will be open before you can apply for the Shuman traineeships. However, with the Bluebook and the EIB traineeship, these ones you can always look at you can always go to the website, look at the roles that are available on the website. Is that okay? But this one is currently closed because the application is not currently running at the moment. If you want to apply for the EIB traineeship, all you need to do is to go to the official website. I'll be leaving all those links in my description, okay? So when you go to the official website, just like you can see on my screen, you're gonna see where it says apply now. So you click on that and it will take you directly to the website, okay? So what you should look out for, so I would say don't type anything here because it's not going to give you an accurate result. So don't tamper with this. What you should look out for is the location. What you should look out for is the location, the job function, the job category as well, okay? Yeah, so if I choose Luxembourg, you see, so you can see here, senior solid waste expert, credit risk officer. So what you should look out for is assistant jobs. So where it says like assistant, support, these are the keywords you should look out for. So a job like this, administrative assistant, is a trainee role, okay? Yeah, you can further choose, if you choose managerial and professional, these are just job roles, okay? Yeah, these are just job roles, whether administrative, managerial and professional, well, these are just job roles. So if you choose that, it's further going to streamline opportunities available. Let's choose let's say administrative. So you see, when you choose administrative, you can see that there are about three jobs. So we have the administrative assistant, we've got the legal back office support assistant, and then we have a senior stroke principal legal operational assistant. They're all based in Luxembourg. So these are what you should look out for. Is that okay? Let's go to the documents required. This is actually very important because it is a very competitive traineeship and your documents will help you stand out, okay? So now the very first one is that you need to have a CV, and of course it needs to be in a Europass format. You need a motivation letter, and remember, each motivation letter should be tailored to each role. Assuming you're applying for 3 different roles, your motivation letter should be tailored to each role. So now a motivation letter is where you explain who you are, you explain why you want to work in that particular field. So basically you're trying to sell yourself out there. Now you will need your degree certificates and transcripts, of course, and a proof of language skills. You need your references, and wherever you have worked before, you need to get reference letters from places that you have worked before. And then you need your passport copy, of course. All right. So with the application, it opens for Bluebook. Application opens from January. It starts intake in October. So the applications will start from January, but they will start admitting people for the training in October. And for the July edition, they start admitting people in March. That is for Bluebook. And for Shuman, application starts or opens in May, and they start taking people or admitting people in October, and then the second batch starts in October, and then they'll start giving applications or start admission in March. And then the very last one, which is the EIB, is keeps on going. It's continuous, okay? Yeah, and this starts usually from September to January. Let me give you some tips to be successful. What you need to take into consideration so as to stand out. The first thing is that your motivation letter needs to be tailored to each role. Is that okay? The second thing is that your CV needs to be in the Europass format, okay? Next thing is that you need to apply as early as possible. So you need to be on the watch. As soon as applications open, you start your application, especially with the European Investment Bank traineeship, because I think they have got so much slots for people who want to gain experience in this field, okay? And you make sure that you apply based on your role. So if you have got a background in law, this is what you should apply to. If you have got a background in IT, you should apply to this role, okay? Don't apply blindly. Make sure that your experience matches your application. So this is all I have for you regarding this traineeship. So start preparing your documents and start making your applications as soon as the portal is open, okay? So I wish you all the best. Let me know what you think in the comment section, which type you'll be going for, and make sure you drop all your questions. And as usual, I will always answer as soon as possible. Don't forget to like now as you're watching, and don't forget to share with anyone. You never can tell who is going to benefit or who is going to be the next person who will be moving to Luxembourg through this opportunity. And don't forget to subscribe as well. Do subscribe to be part of this community. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and as usual, I will see you in my next one. Until then, bye bye.